Hi guys. Today I am going to show you how to fix all the errors of installing all kinds of Office, Microsoft Office. Sometimes we are facing installing any version of Office in PC. I am going to show you to fix all the problems of installing error from MS Office 2003 to 2019. I'm going to show you four options. First option is you may go the search box and type task scheduler. Yes, this is task scheduler of in this app. Then you extend task scheduler library, then extend Microsoft Office and double click Office. You can see here my installing Office details. If you want to install any Office 2003 to 2019, if you facing any installing error, then this is the first option to fix this problem. So I'm going Office, then double click Office and then right click Office folder. You can see delete folder. You just delete this folder, and close this up. Then restart your PC and try to reinstall the version which you want to install in your PC. This is the first option. And the second option is go to here command from. This is command from. You can see here command from is coming. Click. You can see the command from pop-up is coming. You can write here. I have already put this in my video description. You can copy this line from there and paste here. This is the copy, and this is MSXC. This is just you paste this and press enter, and again copy this MSE, and then again press enter two times press enter and close this. This is the option, and then we can go run folder, Windows run folder. Yes, this is run folder. Then you type to go to run folder, you press Windows key and R. Just go to run folder, then type percentage temp percentage, then you put OK. You can easily go to the temp folder. From this address bar, you click local address bar, local, then go to Microsoft. Then go to Microsoft. You can see here Office. Just right click this Office, right click temp folder, not Office. You can go to temp folder. Just go to properties, and then go to securities, then edit, add, then advance, and find now. You can see in search result, lots of search result is coming. You pressing shift key in keyboard, you mark all these. By drop down list, then click OK, then click OK, and again OK, and back to OK, and cross this. This is the second option. Restart your PC and try to reinstall what version you want to install in your PC. This is the second option. The third option is you press Windows key and R, run box coming, then you put program data, just PROGRAM program data, then click OK. You will go to this program data folder, then you go to Microsoft, and in Microsoft you can see Office. Just right click Office and delete. Right click Office and delete. This is the third option. Restart your PC and try to reinstall what version you want to install. Fourth option is again Windows key and R, run box open, then you type app data, appdat percentage, appdat percentage, then OK. Go to Microsoft and you can see here Office. Just right click and delete this Office folder. Then restart your PC and try to install what you want to install in your PC. Just one more thing you need to keep in mind, if you want to install a latest version, please reinstalled or first remove the older version, then install the latest version, and then you can install the older version if you need. Hope this video will help you to fix error in installing MS Office. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.